This automation turns content into clients. Imagine never missing a lead again. Every comment, every DM, every time someone shows interest in what you do. Most businesses rely on manual checks. A social media manager scrolling through notifications, a founder trying to keep up with their inbox. It's inefficient, it costs time, and it costs you clients. There is a better way, a system. This isn't about working harder or posting more. It's about working smarter. It's about building a machine that works for you 24/7. Here is how it works. Step 1. The system watches your comments and your DMS. It's an intelligent observer, constantly scanning for opportunity. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't take breaks. It just watches. Step 2. It detects buyer intent. This is the critical part. We teach the system to recognize specific phrases, words that signal someone is ready to take the next step. Phrases like, "How much is this? Can you help me with this? I need this. Tell me more." These are triggers. They are green lights that your manual process is probably missing. The system catches every single one, instantly. Step 3. The automation engages it. The moment a trigger phrase is detected, the machine acts. It doesn't wait for you to finish your meeting. It doesn't wait until Monday morning. It responds in seconds. And this is where the strategy becomes clear. First, it auto-sends a personalized response. It uses their name. It references their specific comment or message. It feels human. It feels attentive, because it is. "Hi, thanks for asking about this. I saw your comment." This immediate, personal touch builds instant rapport. It shows you're listening. Next, it sends a relevant case study, proof, not just claims. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a demonstration of value. It shows them you've solved this exact problem before, for someone just like them. This builds trust. It moves the conversation from curiosity to consideration. Then it sends your booking calendar. No back and forth. Know what time works for you. Just a simple, direct link to your calendar. You are removing all friction. You are making it effortless for a qualified lead to talk to you. This is the difference between a lead and a booked meeting. This entire sequence. This automated, intelligent flow delivers immense business value. Think about it. Your content is now a lead generation engine. Every post, every video, every story is a net cast into the market. And this system is the mechanism that pulls in the catch every single time. This is the power of a system over manual effort. The result: 0 missed leads. Every single person who expresses interest gets a perfect, strategic response. Instantly, you save dozens of hours a week. Your sales pipeline fills up, and your business grows, all from an automation that turns your content into clients.